Decor welcomes you to a cozy garden retreat where beautiful fence designs meet relaxing patio ideas. Discover inspiring outdoor transformations that bring comfort, style, and peaceful living into your everyday space. Let creativity bloom and transform your yard today. Welcome to a journey where ordinary outdoor areas become extraordinary havens of calm. In this video, we explore how thoughtful fence designs, charming patios, and lush greenery can turn any yard into a cozy garden retreat. Whether your space is large or small, inspiration begins with the vision of comfort and tranquility. The entrance gate is the first element that greets visitors and sets the mood for your garden. From rustic wooden gates to sleek modern metal designs, the right choice can instantly elevate your outdoor space. It's not just a boundary, it's a welcoming gesture into your peaceful sanctuary. A well-designed fence does more than mark property lines. It creates intimacy and enhances the overall visual appeal. Consider natural wood textures, painted panels, or even living fences made of greenery to create a balance between security and beauty. Climbing plants, vines, and vertical gardens can transform plain fences into living art. The contrast between structured materials and organic growth brings harmony, making the space feel more alive and connected to nature. A cozy garden retreat isn't complete without a comfortable seating area. Think of small nooks with cushioned benches, hanging chairs, or even a hammock tucked into a quiet corner, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Patio materials set the stage for your outdoor design. Stone, brick, or wooden decking each offer unique textures and atmospheres. Selecting the right foundation ensures durability while enhancing the aesthetic charm of your garden retreat. Introduce outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and weather-resistant cushions to soften the look of your patio. These elements create a welcoming environment that feels like an extension of your indoor living space. Lighting plays a crucial role in transforming your garden after sunset. String lights, lanterns, and solar path lights can create a magical atmosphere, making your retreat just as inviting at night as it is during the day. Incorporating a small fountain or water feature introduces calming sounds that enhance relaxation. The gentle flow of water can mask noise and create a peaceful ambience throughout your garden. If space is limited, vertical gardening is a brilliant solution. Wall-mounted planters, trellises, and stacked pots allow you to enjoy abundant greenery without sacrificing floor space. Neutral tones, earthy shades, and subtle pastels can create a soothing visual experience. A cohesive color palette ties together fences, furniture, and plants for a harmonious design. Rustic elements like reclaimed wood, aged metal, and handmade decor pieces bring character and warmth. These imperfections add authenticity and make the garden feel more personal. For those who prefer a cleaner look, modern designs with straight lines and minimal clutter can create a sophisticated retreat. Combining modern fences with simple patios offers a refreshing contrast. Adding shade structures like pergolas, umbrellas, or fabric canopies ensures comfort during sunny days. These elements also add depth and structure to your garden design. Selecting a mix of seasonal plants ensures your garden remains vibrant throughout the year. Rotating blooms and evergreen foliage keep the space fresh and visually appealing. Decorative items like lanterns, sculptures, or DIY crafts reflect your personality. These small details turn a beautiful garden into a meaningful and unique retreat. Stone or gravel pathways guide movement and connect different areas of your garden. They add structure while inviting exploration of each cozy corner. A small dining setup can transform your garden into a perfect spot for meals. Simple tables, comfortable chairs, and ambient lighting make outdoor dining a delightful experience. Design your garden to serve multiple purposes: relaxation, entertainment, and even work. Flexible furniture and smart layouts help you make the most of your space. Regular care ensures your garden stays inviting. Clean pathways, trim plants, and maintain furniture to keep everything looking its best with minimal effort. Creating a cozy garden retreat is about blending comfort, design, and nature into one harmonious space. With thoughtful fence designs, relaxing patios, and personal touches, your outdoor area can become a sanctuary where you unwind, recharge, and truly feel at home.